Wialon hosting is designed to track your fleet using GPS and GPRS technologies. With its help, you can always know the location of your vehicles, have the information about their condition, generate a wide variety of reports, and much more. Users around the world have long appreciated the numerous advantages of Wialon. The most important among them is the integration with different types of GPS and GLONASS hardware. Currently, Wialon supports more than 600 types of the devices. Efficiency and high performance are achieved thanks to the server capacity and the use of cloud technologies. Any user will easily get along with the program, as Wialon is available in 34 languages. The dashboard of the working area displays the list of the added units. You can track their performance in real-time mode. On this panel, you can see whether the unit is moving or standing, the number of satellites available at the moment, and the connection status. Here you can generate a track, send a command, and see the messages received from the unit. In real time, you can also keep track of the changes of the sensor state. The color of the sensor changes according to the settings of the unit properties. Wialon allows creating geofences of three types: a polygon, a line, and a circle. And you can do it literally with a few clicks. Use a geofence as an endpoint of the regular trip, as a place that must be visited, as a filter for almost any kind of report, and as an address source. Along with geofences, the system supports POIs. These are users' places of interest. A lot of things can be attached to POI: a picture, a webcam streaming video, a forecast, exchange rates, and much more. In reports, a POI name can be used as an address. Wialon hosting allows tracking a wide variety of units. For example, it can be a company car with a driver. Need to receive information about the distance traveled and fuel spent at the end of each day? No problem. You can create a job that will self-generate a scheduled report and send it to your email. Wialon will inform you if the driver decides to use your car for personal purposes. Just create a geofence at the spot where the car should be parked during after hours and set the notification that will be triggered if the car leaves the geofence at that time. As soon as this happens, you will get an SMS message on your phone. Notifications can also help you to monitor speeding, harsh braking and acceleration, the alarm button pressing, and more. If you have a fuel sensor or if a tracker is connected to a CAN bus, you can get information on fuel level in the tank. In reports, you can check the history of fuel level changes, including fuel filling and thefts. In order to do it, an appropriate sensor should be created. Choose the type of the sensor and select a parameter in which the fuel information is coming from the unit. Calibrate the fuel tank and fill in the calculation table. When you point at a unit, a tooltip pops up. Here you can find the information about the unit location, presence in geofences, the driver bound, and the current sensor readings, such as FLS or tire pressure sensor. Wialon hosting users have access to a large number of maps. For example, you can use Google Maps. If you need to constantly see a certain unit, you can track it using a mini-map. In this mode, Google Street View is also available for a user. In the right upper corner, you can see a pop-up notification window. You can open it to read the text of the notification. If you have several drivers, you will always know who is driving a vehicle right now. I was driving it, let's say, a month ago. Drivers can be bound manually or automatically with the help of iButton. Sometimes it's really important to get information on a large numbers of units at once. It goes without saying that executing a report on 20 units separately and further analyzing their received data is not the most pleasant experience. The process takes a lot of time. This is the reason we've designed unit groups. They can be used for online tracking and group reports execution. They are also useful when you need to assign a job or notification to a group of units at once. Wialon Hosting has a powerful report module using the capacities of its own data center. It allows you to execute instant reports and gives you an advantage over your competitors. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.